जैसे आशीष ने खुद चालू किया आपकी टेक्नोलॉजी और एक आरओ मशीन डाला, ही इनफैक्ट स्टेज इन द विलेज ये चालू करने के लिए. So if you have any ideas, youngsters in particular, if you have any idea, if you want to do, this is just near to Ahmedabad, and what we do, our office is at Nehru Nagar Charasta. All you have to do is come there, we take you there, you explore things. You can be a volunteer teacher also, you can come and teach. That's how we started anyway. We have 350 kids studying with us every Wednesday, Saturday and Sunday. And we all do this with our existing work. I got my chemical business, she's a lecturer, everybody involved is doing his own business or whatever job. What we tell to people is spend one day for your nation. Punya mate nahi, pratishtha mate nahi, ke paisa mate nahi. So this is volunteer teacher concept is all about, spending one day, prioritizing one day for your nation. Second, you can support us by finding more potential customers. If you know a mandir or dargah, a place where they can buy their own brand of agarbatti, tell us. We would be more than happy to approach them. It will help us again being sustainable. And we urge you to join. Now we got one more project coming, which is the waste management, where we've been trying to utilize the cow dung. वो कचरा साफ करके segregate करके, maybe AMC officials, somebody who is here who is going to work on work can guide us also. We met the collector Harit Bhai, and he has given us this is a new idea again. We are trying to create a company, Hamara Environment, which is going to be having stakes of the villagers of the 9 villages. एक कॉमन जगह होगी जहाँ पे सेग्रीगेट कचरा ला के सेग्रीगेट करके उसको वैल्यू एडिशन करके बेचने का प्रपोजल है. With the Association of Gram Panchayat, different Gram Panchayat. We are trying to do it with Pirana and Paldi Kankaj. So if you want to get yourself involved in that project, we really need people who can come, help us with their inputs. So 3 things you can help us. You can become a volunteer teacher. You can come with us any Saturday or Sunday and teach. Simple. You can help us give some context to sell our agarbatti. And you can help us by guiding us on this solid waste management project. So, nearing to end, we say C.K. Prahlad was known for, he was talking about see a consumer in a poor. That what we say is see a potential resource in a poor. Start small time enterprises. These people are very, very efficient. And it's just a luck that when I was born in 1969, एक डिग्री का फर्क हो गया तो मैं भी वहाँ होता. मेरी माँ की वोम में नहीं होता, वहाँ कहीं होता. तो उतने ही हम लकी है कि हमारे घर में खाने पीने की चिंता नहीं है. एजुकेशन इज़ नॉट समथिंग कि कोई हमें जैसे वहाँ पे होता है. एक आई गिव यू एन एग्जांपल. एक हम जब बच्चों को बुलाने जाते हैं पढ़ने के लिए, तो उनके पेरेंट्स को कन्विंस करते हैं कि आप भेजिए हमारे पास पढ़ने के लिए. तो दूसरा बच्चा बोलता है ये तो नहीं आएगा, तो पत्ता खेलने जाता है. तो बोले उसकी माँ गुस्से होकर हमें बोलती है लेकिन 50 रुपये लाता है. सो दिस इज द सिचुएशन ऑफ एजुकेशन. हम कुछ भी बोले, आप बोल ही रही थी कि वी गॉट 36 करोड़ चिल्ड्रन बिलो 14 ईयर्स ऑफ इन इंडिया, मोर देन द नंबर ऑफ टोटल पीपल इन यूएस. लेकिन 8th स्टैंडर्ड के बच्चे को आज भी हम क ख ग सिखाते हैं. दिस इज द केस देयर. सो वी आर फॉर्चुनेट पीपल हु आर इन दिस रूम टू बी बोर्न इन अ फैमिली जहाँ पे ये बेसिक के लिए किस्सा नहीं है. सो व्हाट वी से, यू स्टार्ट सम एंटरप्राइज. Youngsters back there, if you want to do something, just visit the village. You can give your own name. Again, that's why it's an independent program. You can give your company, you can start a company, you can start an NGO if you want, but use this as a platform. So let's create more employment opportunity in rural India. That's the need of the hour. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Mr. Vyas.